keep humping it. Look. You keep humping. And then sitting down. You got like a butt problem or something? I'm just sitting on the bench, Bryn. I was doing sit-ups a second ago when you started that craziness again. Now I'm just trying to stretch my leg out. I wonder what's going to happen when I drop my leg this time. The other leg's sitting on the workout bench. I'm just stretching my hamstrings. Can I do that? Oh, boy. I did have 3 treats on me when this started. And then I gave them to her, but I haven't had any for a while. Nope. No treats. Okay. Okay, you gonna be goofy when I lay down? And do some sit-ups. I got nothing in my hand. Okay. Oh, there we go. As soon as I lay down, I got nothing in my hand, boo. Nope, I got nothing. Look, nothing. I promise you. Well, at least you're not humping me. You want up? You want up? What does my shirt smell like? Hmm? You're so cute. Weird, but cute.